People of the internet, good morning. I hope you are doing well wherever you are in the world. My name is Hlulani Baloyi and I am coming to you live from the streets of Vienna. Amazing. So I'm coming to you live in the streets of Vienna. I am out of office, so exciting stuff. If you're coming for the first time, I just want to welcome you in this place. I hope you decide to stay. If you are returning family, you are loved by me. I love you so much. So listen, I am gonna be going for brunch. Vienna had been closed, or rather has been on lockdown, that it has like a lot of restrictions for the longest of time. To a point that I had never really been in a restaurant for a very long time. I mean, I had never really been in a restaurant since last year, and last year this was in South Africa, so I was not in a position to go to a restaurant because it was only operating on takeaways. Restaurants were only operating on takeaways. But hey, listen, 5 months later, we are out here. I am going to a brunch and I am planning to make it count. So just wanted to take you with me because you know what, I just want to be in a position where I pull you in, and anything important or anything special that happens as far as this girl is concerned, as far as travel is concerned. So yeah, I'm taking you with me and let's see what happens. So what I'm doing right now is that I'm going to this restaurant cafe. So it's like what's this, it's called Cafe Ulrich. Yeah, Cafe Ulrich, and I am going there. I'll be able to have amazing brunch, and I think I might also go to Tiki, which is like an ice cream place with so much history in Vienna. I would definitely like just link up the history. Not in a position to explain everything that happened, but like this was one restaurant that was started by a family here in Vienna, and they sort of have curated the ice cream experience in a very special way. So it still exists today. I think that's one thing that is special. I've had like ice cream there once and it was pretty much amazing. Actually, it was not ice cream. I forgot the name of I'll attach the name of how they actually do that ice cream. So it's like a mixture of like, I think there's jam inside, and there's also what's this, a bit of ice cream. Actually, listen, I'll just attach it here for you to see. Maybe I'll attach a picture because I did take a picture of how it looks like. So yeah, let's go together. I look forward to having brunch more than anything, and if there's anything exciting that I bump into in the process, I also just like link it up, because you know what, at the end of the day, it's just been really random as we experience anything in this lifetime. So this is what I'm doing. Meet me on the other side of the cafe having brunch. Okay, so I have now 10 minutes to walk to the cafe, and yeah, I am getting excited because I always get excited. So I have arrived. We are in Cafe Ulrich, and let's go have food. Let's go have food, guys. Hi. I will have the vegan work.
Vegan breakfast?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it possible to also add avocado? Does it come as a toast?
Yeah, sure. So you want there is an avocado toast with it,
Oh yeah, I see. Okay.
but you can add another one if you want to.
Yeah.
But it's like quite big.
Yeah. Okay. Cool. It's fine then. Yeah, I have a vegan breakfast.
Yeah.
I didn't see your coffee here. I have a mimosa instead.
Mimosa? Yes. Okay.
Yeah. I like it.
Do you want to keep the menu?
Yeah, let's have it here for now.
Perfect.
We're done with the food. It was good food. It's really good food. I had it's called a vegan wake up, and it's just generally like a lot of like vegan like up there, and it's just like literally like a mixture of a whole lot of things. It was really good. There was avocado, there was sweet potato, there was so many other things. It was good. Yeah, I enjoyed it. If you're ever in Vienna, for you to actually sit and dine here, you'd probably need like 20 euros, well, 15 to 20 euros, because the mimosa is like 5 euros, and the dish that I had was 11, so somewhere around actually 16, 17. Yeah, 17. So that's what you want to be thinking around. And the food is good. The food is good. I can't really talk about like so I've been off meat for some time. My food is mostly plant-based, so I don't know about the other dishes, but they look good from the other tables. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this vlog, or rather you enjoyed this vlog. I am signing out. This is it. Thank you guys for watching.